Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Ombaku Kingsley Sama. I'm an obstetrician and gynecologist from Cameroon. I learned about this course online when I was scrolling to see where I could go around to get better knowledge. Actually, we have had colleagues who had been trained in India before. And when I searched, I saw many centers. And what struck me most about Semasti was that they had a structured program, day-by-day program, which they followed to train students. And that really caught my attention, and that's why I, with my colleague, we selected Semasti as our destination for training. It's our first time in India. When we came here, scared, we did not know what we expect. We were very happy to meet a very wonderful team with Sehgal, Santoni and Dilip, who showed us around, who helped us to get used to the environment, and we found it very interesting. And we were very moved by our main teacher, Dr. Shohan, who is really a master at training. He takes difficult things and makes them very easy. He taught us how to make a knot, something I never dreamt I would ever know how to do. And I think I can do it now even with my eyes closed. So, sir, we're very grateful for all what you have taught us. And even the team in the OT, even those who do not know us, each time they saw us, they welcome us, take us to the theater and teach us things. They always try to ask to see what we were doing. That touched our hearts very deeply. And we are very happy with our experience here. And I think that we are going to be ambassadors of Semasti when we go back home. We have really contacted our colleagues who want to have similar training in India, that this is the place to be. So I'm very happy today that I've come to the end of this training. I'm happy to go back, not because I don't want to stay, but because I want to see my family. It has been a long time here, and we'll be going back, planning to come back for more. Thank you very much.